Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with the KINGBOLEN K7 OBD2 scanner. If you're a DIY mechanic or just someone who wants to keep their car in top shape, you'll want to stick around for this one. The KINGBOLEN K7 OBD2 scanner is a Bluetooth-enabled device designed for diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle issues. Here are some key features typically associated with the K7 model. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to connect the scanner to your smartphone or tablet for easy data access and real-time monitoring. Compatibility works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, covering a wide range of makes and models. Diagnostic functions capable of reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data, and performing various tests to help diagnose issues. User-friendly app, often paired with a dedicated app that provides a clear interface for accessing vehicle information and diagnostic data. Portability, compact and easy to carry, making it convenient for on-the-go diagnostics. Cost-effective, generally affordable compared to other OBD2 scanners, making it a good choice for DIY enthusiasts. If you're considering purchasing it, check user reviews for specific experiences and compatibility with your vehicle. Here's a more detailed look at the KINGBOLEN K7 OBD2 scanner, covering its features, usage, and benefits. Features Bluetooth connectivity. The K7 connects wirelessly to your mobile device, enabling you to monitor vehicle data in real time without being tethered by cables. Wide vehicle compatibility. It supports a large range of vehicles from various manufacturers, typically those manufactured after 1996 that comply with OBD2 standards. Diagnostic functions. Read and clear codes. Easily retrieve diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, and clear them once issues are resolved. Live data streaming. Monitor real-time data such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, and vehicle speed, which can help in diagnosing issues as they occur. User-friendly app. Usually comes with a companion app that is available on both Android and iOS. The app often includes features like data graphing, historical data logging, and detailed DTC definitions. Compact and portable design. Small enough to fit in your pocket, making it ideal for carrying in your car or for roadside assistance. User manuals and support. Often includes detailed user manuals and customer support for troubleshooting and setup assistance. Usage setup. Plug the K7 into the OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth and launch the app to start diagnostics. Data interpretation. The app provides explanations for trouble codes and offers potential solutions, making it easier for users to understand the issues. Performance monitoring. Users can track vehicle performance over time, helping to maintain optimal efficiency and catch problems early. Now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.